Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about YouTube app, and this is basically for every YouTube creator that you need to explore the new features of YouTube audio reply to every comment on your YouTube channel. So I'm going to simply explain how you can explore the new feature of audio reply to every comment on your YouTube app. So first thing first, I want to believe that every creator must have YouTube Studio right here. So open up your YouTube Studio app. If you have not having this YouTube Studio app for the very first time, just go to your Android phone on Play Store and download the app. So, and if you are using iPhone, just go to App Store and search for YouTube Studio app. So when you download the app and install it, take you to just log in with your YouTube username and password, and you'll be taken to your YouTube channel dashboard right here. Now, how do you explore and use the new features of audio reply to every comment on YouTube? So for a particular comment you want to use, go ahead and click on the comments on the video right here. So when you click on the video, it's open up like so. Now, instead of you reply with text auto or reply by typing text, you can now use audio note. And for that, for you to use audio note, go ahead and click on the particular message that you want to use audio note with. And you are here. Go ahead and click on here now. Now it's taking you right here. For you to use the audio note, click on here. And this is going to pump up. So you can see voice reply to this. Tap. What you need to do is to simply tap. So once you tap, you can only record 30 seconds of audio note. Okay. So once you tap, you start standing, you start talking whatever you want to talk as far as new features of audio note is concerned. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to explore and how you can use this audio reply on this how you can use voice reply in your YouTube Studio app. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.